Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to be doing this video. It is actually a collaborative video between myself, Getty Cooks, and Abelewalls Recipe. We both are preparing tasty Ghanaian chicken stew, and guys, go check her channel. She has so many recipes, and I'll also leave the link to her video in the description box below. So let's get started. In my pot I have my chicken neatly washed. I add some onion, adobo, chicken seasoning, blended spices, salt and basil. I'll just mix this and cover it and let it cook for some minutes. And if today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button while you hit the bell to get notified each time I post a video. So guys, please stay tuned. Okay guys, after cooking the chicken for 45 minutes, I went ahead to fry the chicken. So this is after 20 minutes in the oil. I will just take them off from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel. So after taking it out, this is how it looks now. This looks so yummy. Now to begin with the stew, in the same oil I added some onion and bay leaf. I'll fry this until it is translucent. After some minutes of frying, I went ahead to add my tomato paste. I will stir this, and I also added some chopped garlic to the tomato paste. I will let this fry for some few minutes, and I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always being there, for always taking your precious time to watch my videos that I post. I do appreciate it a lot. So at this point I added my blended tomato paste, and I also added some of my chicken stock. I will cover it and let it be on the fire for some more minutes. Alright fam, at this point the stew is doing very well, so I went ahead to add some powdered pepper. Also I added some powdered shrimp, some nutmeg, curry, seasoning cube, and I will stir this, then cover it for it to cook for extra few minutes. Okay guys, at this point the stew is almost done, and I'm just giving it a quick stir. So I went ahead to add my fried protein, which I did earlier on. I will combine everything together. And if you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and also like this video, share this video to reach more people. So now I will just cover it. Okay, lovely. Our chicken stew is ready. Just look at this delicious stew, and I really love the outcome. This was so simple to make. With just a few ingredients you can make this. So tell me what you will pair this stew with in the comment section below. I paired mine with rice. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also like, share this video, and leave a comment. Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all. Bye.